Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best above-ground pool covers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Summer Buddy 18-foot round pool cover. This upgraded 2025 model is designed with an enhanced fastening system that includes a dual-layer, heavy-duty cable and a rust-proof pulley system for a secure fit. It's crafted from extra-thick polyethylene fabric, which is both cold and UV-resistant, ensuring your pool stays protected even in harsh winter conditions. With a temperature tolerance as low as -10 Fahrenheit, this cover is perfect for those living in colder climates. Design-wise, the Summer Buddy cover is lightweight and easy to install, thanks to its innovative pulley design. The 3-foot overlap provides a flexible fit, and the premium UV-resistant coating reduces water evaporation by up to 90%. While it's not as heavy-duty as some of the other covers on this list, it offers excellent value for those looking for a basic yet reliable winter pool cover. The major drawback is its limited durability when compared to higher-end options, and some users have reported that it's more prone to tearing under heavy snowfall. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the Summer Buddy is a solid pick. Pros include its easy installation and UV protection, while cons include its lower durability under extreme weather conditions. At number 4, the UIR Way 18-feet round pool cover offers a unique combination of design and functionality. This cover boasts a patented design with a full-circle webbing and drawstring system, making it more tear-resistant during installation. It's made of 420D painted silver material, which provides excellent protection from debris, leaves, and harsh weather elements. This cover stands out with its reflective strips and luminous ground nails, making it easy to locate and avoid at night. User experience with the UIR Way cover is highly positive when it comes to ease of use. The cover is designed with handles for drying and hanging after cleaning, which is a thoughtful addition. It also features a longer overhang, 18 inches compared to the typical 7 to 11 inches, making it more secure against strong winds. However, it's worth noting that this product is more lightweight compared to some of its competitors, which might reduce its lifespan in extreme weather. The pros of the UIR Way cover include its user-friendly design, versatile applications, and secure fit. On the downside, it may not hold up as well in very heavy snow or prolonged freezing conditions. Overall, it's a great mid-range option for those who value convenience and a snug fit. In third place, we have the Yankee Pool Pillow Winter Pool Cover, part of the brand's Sapphire series. This cover is a heavy-duty option with a 14 by 14 scrim count and a 185 GSM density, making it one of the thickest and most durable covers on this list. It's designed to keep your pool uncontaminated throughout the harshest winters, thanks to its black underside that prevents algae growth and its UV-resistant LDPE coating. The Yankee Pool Pillow cover is all about durability and performance. It includes a steel core cable and reinforced grommets, ensuring a sturdy fit even in high winds. The 4-foot overlap is a thoughtful addition, making installation easier and providing extra security. While it's on the heavier side, this added weight contributes to its superior strength. The only real drawback is its lack of included accessories, such as a pool pillow, which is sold separately. This cover is ideal for homeowners who want a premium, long-lasting solution to winter pool maintenance. Pros include its extreme durability, high scrim count, and excellent UV resistance. As for cons, it's slightly more expensive when you factor in the need for additional accessories. Overall, the Yankee Pool Pillow cover is an excellent choice for those seeking top-notch quality. Our runner-up is the Shop Square 24 feet round premium heavy-duty winter pool cover. This royal blue cover is crafted from polypropylene with a 14 x 14 scrim count and a density of 185 GSM, making it highly durable and tear-proof. It's designed to protect your pool from snow, ice, debris, and UV rays, ensuring all-season reliability. The reinforced edges and durable grommets contribute to its ability to withstand high winds and heavy snowfall. Installation is a breeze with the included steel core cable and molded winch, which allow for a tight, secure fit. At 26.2 pounds, it's one of the heavier covers on this list, but that weight translates into superior durability. The LDPE coating prevents UV damage, extending the life of your pool liner, while the extra sealing seams effectively block debris. However, its weight might make it harder to handle for a single person during installation. The shop square cover is ideal for those looking for heavy-duty protection without compromise. Pros include its tear-proof design, reinforced edges, and UV resistance. Its main con is that its weight and bulkiness might not be suitable for everyone. Still, it's a fantastic choice if you want premium durability and performance. Finally, taking the top spot is the Winterblock 24 feet round pool winter cover. Priced at $43.40, this cover offers unbeatable value with its 8-year warranty and high-quality materials. It's made from laminated polyethylene sheeting woven with high-density stitching, ensuring excellent tensile strength and durability. The UV-resistant treatment keeps it from degrading under harsh sunlight, while the weatherproof design ensures protection from rain, snow, and debris. What sets the Winterblock cover apart is its ease of installation. It comes with a steel cable, winch, and perimeter grommets, making it ready to use straight out of the box. Its lightweight design at just 9.59 pounds makes it easy to handle, yet it's durable enough to withstand harsh winters. The 3-foot overlap ensures a snug fit for 24-foot round pools, keeping your pool clean and well protected until the next season. The Winterblock cover is perfect for budget-conscious homeowners who don't want to compromise on quality. Pros include its affordable price, ease of installation, and generous warranty. On the downside, it's not as thick as some of the premium options, which might make it less durable in extreme conditions. However, for most users, it strikes the perfect balance between cost and functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.